And so what we're showcasing here is our various early reference validation designs that we provide to our various customers, as well as internal to our own testing engineers. So as you can see here, this is a Panther Lake RVP motherboard. And what's unique about this motherboard is it is a LPCAMM2 motherboard. So the new upcoming and growing adopting standard that is becoming very popular amongst manufacturers. And then here we have our Panther Lake dev kit, which not every developer needs one of these. If you're a hardware developer, yeah, the hardware guys want this, but the software guys, for doing their software work, they like something a little bit more compact. And so what's nice about these reference validation platforms is the interchangeability and all the different test points that the engineers can connect to when debugging and bringing up the systems for development.